It's about taking these extra steps to help yourself. Go find a quiet place to work in. Use a timer. Set a timer for a specific amount of time to focus on one task. Take breaks. That's what I do. Every 45 minutes, I'll take a break. But if I'm just sitting down at my computer, I make sure to get up and move my body. It was 6 p.m. Time to dance. Time to dance. That's my world. That's what I do. 6 p.m. It's time to dance. Why? Because I need to shake off the stress of my day. I need my body to feel good from having sat down all day long. And I need to move. Do not do sugar. Sugar is the worst thing you can do during your break time. So find something else to do. Then get yourself organized. Organization is important. Clutter in your workspace can make it difficult to focus and stay productive. So if you say my workspace isn't cluttered, I urge you to look around your life. Look in your closet. Is that cluttered? Look at your friend circle. Is that cluttered? Something in your life is cluttered. Unclutter it, right? You don't need to surround yourself with everything and all things. You only need certain things. And in fact, even when I go shopping now, what I do to keep myself uncluttered is one thing comes in the house, two things go out. Not counting food, but clothing, stuff. If I buy one thing, I have to get rid of two items in my house. It has to go. Why? I don't want to be cluttered. So off it goes. It has no choice. That's how I'm living now. And I actually have a very uncluttered life. I have very little belongings and I feel incredibly happy that way.